In Massachusetts, do you need to have your smoke detectors inspected in order to sell your house? In this video, I'm going to provide you with that answer. My name is Matthew Straight from Straight Real Estate Solutions. Let's get started. The answer is yes. In Massachusetts, the sellers are required to have the fire department inspect the smoke detectors and the carbon detectors. Proper location, the correct type, age, and working order are all evaluated. Now, provided that they pass, the seller will actually get a letter of compliance or certificate. Now, where it gets tricky is some towns allow battery-operated detectors, and some towns only allow hardwired. So here's my suggestion. When you list your home, one of the first things you should do is reach out to your local fire department and get to the answer to that question. Why? Because the last thing you want to do is wait to the last minute and you find out that you have to hire an electrician. Just remember, you need that certificate in order to close. So if you wait till the last minute, it could delay the closing and cause a bunch of problems for you. For all things real estate, check us out at srshouses.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.